But still, it's an M2. I'm enjoying it. I can't complain.
Check this out. That's the cold start. So inside the M2, nice and warm. A bit about the car is this is a 2017 BMW M2 with 360 brake horsepower. My boy here, he got it last year.
December, so it's gonna be a year in a month. And yeah, enjoying it so far. Done about 10,000 miles in it. It's my daily car. It's not perfect, but I enjoy it. What I mean by it's not perfect is the suspension is really harsh. I'll just give you like a quick rundown. It's really harsh, and the gearbox itself, my goodness, this is a DCT, and everybody knows this. A DCT is not smooth like butter. That's right, I said butter, like the ZF4 gearbox that I was coming from in my M140i. That is a better daily gearbox. This DCT is too rough. It jolts a lot. The bunny hop, people will know what the bunny hop is if they experience it. It basically makes you look like you're driving it in manual, and you can't catch the bite, so it looks like you can't shift basically. Other than that, it suffered from the indicator rear light. I've got a feeling it will suffer today because it's wet. Let's test it out. Okay, it's not doing it. Let's test it to the left. Oh look, it's done it. I told you guys, that is failing right here. Now look at my wing mirror. That's Audi style. That's it, it's gonna fail. But still, it's an M2. I'm enjoying it. I can't complain.
So here's the car from outside. I'll take this opportunity to show you around the car. So Jude, talk me through. So have you got anything that's special? I can see already the sunroof, that's optional. Extra, what else?
Excuse the wind noise. First of all, this was actually originally carbon. I had the carbon pack, but I changed it to this really cheap M-style mirror caps because I just like the look of it, especially from this side. Carbon spoiler, and then you've got the carbon diffusers here as well. So yeah, it's just the carbon really nice. The thing I might go with carbon is to get a antenna cover carbon as well.
Guys, check this out. Oh my days, it sounds beautiful. I love it. So this is exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you the bit of how is it like to live with the M2. How practical is it? So practicality is something I also look at. But can you really use it daily?
Yeah, I mean, it is my daily car. It's very rare that I've had 4 people in the car, and if I do, that's like for short journeys because I do feel for them. The back seats are not the most roomiest, especially in the leg space and the head space. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying I drive like a maniac, but I do tend to scare the people that sit at the back, so I don't want to put them and torment them into that situation. Yeah, I mean, as you can hear, there's a lot of road noise here. I mean, the tires are quite big. I mean, it's not the best roads anyway. The suspension is really stiff.
You got back pain or you're looking for something comfy, this is not the car for you. Now Jude, tell me a bit about the fuel sort of MPG that you get on a regular base, like with your motorway and city run.
Nobody buys an M2 for the MPG, but of course that is something to also think about. Let's be real, we're not made out of money. Yeah, I think right now I'm averaging 25. My daily commute is literally 58 miles times 2. 80% of that consists of dual carriage roads such as this, and then you know you get the other 20% just like country roads. So it all depends. If you put your foot down, obviously you know the consumption will go down even more.
Yeah, but it's worth it. Smile per miles.
But yeah, as they say, as cliche as it sounds, I do get a lot of miles per gallon is definitely up there. It's definitely more thirstier than my M140i. Before I bought this car, a lot of people were mentioning that, and I couldn't fathom it. I couldn't think about it. Like, how can it be more thirstier? But now I know, and it definitely is thirstier. So
yeah. Now talking about that, I'm glad he actually say this word M140i. Now, if you haven't checked that out, you can check his last car, which is the BMW M140i videos in my channel, and also do make sure to go and subscribe this guy. He is the future upcoming star. Please tell us a bit about your channel then.
Don't say stuff like that. I haven't done many videos with my M2 specifically, but I've been going to a lot of car shows, and yeah, really just soaking in the vibe, you know. Like, it's something that I enjoy. I like meeting new people who share the same passion as us, you know. That's motoring, obviously. I mean, genuine people, they're nice people, so it's good to network, as they say, and get to know other people. So I've got a few, I think, interesting videos that you guys might like to see. So my channel is Maestro Jude TV. He'll put the link in the description. Should pop up now. Sound effects, whatever.
So I really appreciate to every of my subscribers who have subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. Look, I make this video for my mates so I can share it with my mates and around the world. So thank you very much for your support.
Make sure that you help him reach 1,000 by December and January. He'll do a giveaway. I mean that he'll give away something. I don't know. Servicing, I did take it to BMW, but that's like a winter check, so that I wouldn't count as servicing. That's when I first got the car. Took it straight to BMW, made sure everything was okay. And then after a while, my plan was every 5,000 miles I would change the oil. So instead of going to BMW, I went to an independent dealer, which is close by. I'm gonna plug in. It's called Munich Power. If you guys in the south of England looking for a really knowledgeable, really friendly, really helpful independent BMW Mini specialist, hit up Munich Power and speak to Jim. Went to him, and he did actually my full servicing, which was around about 350 or something like that, which wasn't too bad. And you guys know how much a full servicing would cost usually.
I mean, that 350, that's very reasonable. Very reasonable for a car like this. Now, in terms of the tires, now you told me that you got some road trip planned for Europe. You said you're gonna get 2 front tires, correct?
Yeah, at the moment, I'm running. I might get a lot of hate and thumbs down for this, but so be it. I'm running 2 different sets. So I've got PSP tires, Pilot Sports, so Pilot Super Sports at the front, and PS4S's at the back. And I think, I mean, they feel fine for me. You know, it certainly helps that the back is PS4S's, but I'll definitely get the front changed to the same tire, just so, you know, it's everything's the same. The front tires at the moment, I mean, even with Black Friday deals, is running about 426 for 2 tires.
Wow, that's not bad.
But hopefully I get a deal before Black Friday ends, otherwise it's going to be going up there. And one thing that strikes me is that there's not many websites that are selling 19-inch 245 profiles for PS4S's. I don't know if that's a global shortage. Black Circles don't have them, or the only place that I found them is National Tires. I don't even think Costco has them either. So yeah, there is a bit of a shortage on tires as well.
So service been discussed. We also discussed about the tire. So we're just trying to know the whole thing of how is it like to run this car, the practicality of it. One more thing I really wanted to ask is, so you never had any other problem whatsoever, so except the indicator, that's it, right?
Yeah, everything else runs fine. For example, the steering wheel just unfortunately faded on the top of the blue stripe, but it is Alcantara here. And when I can afford it, which is hopefully the next few months or something, I'll be able to upgrade on the race wheel LED. So yeah, looking forward to that one. It's full Alcantara, and you have the light on top here that will flash when you shift gears and when you need to shift gears. So it just adds to the drama of having an M car, this one specifically. So yeah, lights up.
Where's that wheel from?
I got this, made this one.
Yeah, I've been looking for those for ages.
Cool. It goes through the revs.
Yeah, your oil temps and everything.
That's right, mate. Oil temps, you can put 60 times.
Wow. Hear it, I mean the sound. Oh, beautiful. Woo! Is there anything that you hate about this M2?
It could do with a lot more refinement, because a lot of things, I wouldn't say it's a raw car, but you hear a lot of niggles here and there, like plasticky, like I feel like it's not been, you know, pushed down properly and stuff like that. So that's the only thing. End of the day, one thing I love about it is you get mad respect for an M2, man. Everybody thinks that it's an underrated M car or it's not a proper M car. Trust me, it is a proper M car.
So yeah, that's it. That's just a basic video on what is it like to live with the M2. Sorry, I mean that could be his next car, maybe. My bad. Right. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you for next time. Goodbye.